Hi, social studies teachers. My name is Kelly, and I'm going to talk about two important pieces of the structure of our social studies units, the compelling question and the supporting questions. Each unit contains one compelling question and anywhere from 2 to 5 supporting questions. Let's find out what each type of question involves. A compelling question is the main focus of the unit. It's the overarching questions that students will work to answer by the end. Compelling questions focus on big ideas, they're intellectually challenging, they don't necessarily have a right answer. Students will need to use more than one resource to help answer the compelling question, and this is also a great opportunity for the summative assessment. Here you see some examples of compelling questions. Notice that each one is open-ended or includes the word explain to guide students to give more than a one-word answer. Supporting questions are the smaller, easy-to-answer questions that help provide information for the compelling question. Supporting questions are more content-based, have a specific right answer. Typically, only one resource or prior knowledge is needed to answer the question. And supporting questions are great opportunities for formative assessments. Here are some examples of supporting questions that can go along with the compelling questions. Notice that each one can be easily answered from prior knowledge or by referencing one resource. For example, our fourth supporting question, what is the definition of revolutionary? This goes along with the compelling question, was the American Revolutionary War truly revolutionary? Students will need to know the meaning of the word revolutionary in order to start answering that compelling question. Now let's take a look at how compelling and supporting questions are incorporated into a social studies unit. These questions come from a first grade unit about families. The compelling question is, how is my family like other families? The supporting questions are, what is a family? What do families do? Where do families live? And what makes my family special? The goal for all of the supporting questions is to help students gather information and their thoughts about smaller topics before answering the compelling question. Younger students work with teacher-provided compelling and supporting questions, but this changes as students get older. By the time they reach high school, students should be able to generate compelling and supporting questions for their own research projects. Thank you for watching this video about compelling and supporting questions. Be sure to watch the videos about using the unit plans and question maps for more information about how these questions fit within a unit. Please reach out to your PLC leader, instructional coach, or curriculum facilitator if you have any questions or would like some more information or support.